welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I did my DIY lash extensions. Stay tuned. The lashes I'll be using today are some Remy lashes in large and medium by Sassi, hair glue, and a tweezer. I'll start off by putting some of the glue on the back of my hand. You can put it on the packaging, but I prefer to put it on the back of my hand. I'm starting off with the larger lashes. I'm just removing one cluster from the package. Then I'm going to be adding some glue, and then I'll start applying. I like to start at the outer corner of my eye. I'm doing the application underneath and attaching the false lashes to my real lashes. And then I'll just repeat the process, add some glue, and then apply. So disclaimer guys, I'm not a licensed lash technician. This is just a DIY. This is how I do my lashes. This is how I feel comfortable doing my lashes. Right here, I'm just using the tweezer to seal my natural lash to the fake lashes. Guys, I know this looks scary, as if I'm going to poke myself in the eye, but actually I'm not. It's the angle of the camera, and I actually have a mirror in front of me that I'm looking at. I will now be using the medium lashes. I didn't use a lot. I think I used maybe 3 or 4 on each eye. I'll now be using a spoolie to comb through the lashes to make sure I don't have any loose and just to make sure that everything is sealed and intact. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed.